Okay, so this is where I'm going to start the second video sometime in this time frame, and it's almost done. It's still, going through. It's just it takes a long time to, format the data. When I use LabVIEW, the program I wrote in LabVIEW, this was done, and it didn't take 5 minutes. With a batch file, it's taken a lot longer because this is like the first time I've used batch files to do anything like this. It's I don't have this. I don't have the money to buy LabVIEW. It's $500 to buy the software. Um, with LabVIEW, I can do a lot more audio files. I was learning how to. I was trying to learn how to make video packets because I know it's just a bunch of stills, scan still shots. I was going to try to make my own video packets, but I ran out of a license. So here I am, using DOS now. But you can't really do video with DOS. You'd have to do C or C++ or something like that. But anyway, what this video is basically to show you guys that I know what I'm doing, in electronics, in software. I'm not somebody who I'm not stupid. A lot of you people think I'm stupid, like the Sparklight guy that came over here. He told me many years ago, when I come over, you're going to show me the videos, and I'll just run down there and say, look, he's found all these videos, and he laughed. And he said, no, I'll just probably delete it myself. Well, if he knows that they faked my daughter's death and he's withholding the truth and the evidence to make me be homeless because he doesn't like me, that means he's breaking the law. He's breaking laws. He's depriving me. He's in a conspiracy to hide the truth, and he's depriving me of my life, my liberty, and my property because I got nothing left. Because of him, Hong Wong was hurt. Because of him, April Finnerty was hurt. Because of him, they put Shane Hawley in jail. Because of him, they put me in jail 5 times, and the police still will not tell the truth. Because of people like him who know the truth and won't tell the truth, you know, um, I'm homeless basically. I'm living on my mother's couch. Nobody will tell the truth. That's the biggest bunch of liars I've ever seen in my life. I can't believe people can do that. But this video is to prove I'm not some stupid moron. You're not going to be able to lie to me for the rest of my life. And if you've broken a law, then it's illegal to make an agreement with law enforcement. This is a good part. This is illegal to make an agreement with law enforcement to break the law against another person or against anything, any laws. You can't just say, "Well, we're going to turn our back on you, and you can go do whatever you want to do." You can't make an agreement to do that. It's illegal, for anybody to make an agreement with law enforcement to break the law. Conspiracies are illegal. But anyway, you can see I formatted the data, so this is the formatted data, and it's putting it into is in an Excel macro. It's formatted the way it needs to be. Again, this takes a long time to do this. It's probably because I can probably make it faster. This was my first shot at doing this, and I wanted to put this out there as fast as I could because by the time you see this video, I'm going to be in a place in which I'm going to be safe, and you're going to find out that the FBI really is watching you be liars. It's illegal for a sheriff to use the color of the law, for to um, be in a conspiracy to deprive somebody of their constitutional rights. It's called cruel and unusual punishment. Law enforcement broke the law against me, and you're using the color of the law to shut me up. So I'm going to be in a safe place when you find out the FBI really is getting ready to arrest many people in Ardmore, Oklahoma. I hate you, Sheriff Chris Bryant. I hate you, Tina Bryant. Um, Sean Ferry, you're going to be in prison. I don't care what happens to you. I hope you die in that prison cell as an old man, old, real old. Um, you deserve what you get, you piece of trash. This is taking a long time. So you can see 44 to now. Man, that's a 20-minute video. So if it was 20, takes 20 minutes for this thing to write this macro. With LabVIEW, it was done in, quick. It was done quick. LabVIEW was done in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And I wrote the code really fast in LabVIEW too. This took a long time because I don't know the language. Well, I'm learning the language. It's a lot easier now that I've written a program as complicated as this, because it's very complicated to write something like this. At least for me, it was. And why is because it has a lot of you have to. There's one where I have four or five nested for loops, and there's multiple places where I've nested for loops. It makes it difficult because the data you have to use the for loop correctly for the data to go in the right place. Like this thing that says number of lines right here. Originally, when I wrote this, it was working, and then I realized I didn't need the number of lines anymore, so I kind of got rid of it, and I didn't test it before I started doing this. But it was displaying the number of lines, but I realized I didn't need that anymore, so I didn't. I just deleted one part of it. And I forgot to take the where it's displaying the number of lines. What I'll probably do is break this down into small little sections of the video, so you can see what it's doing and when it starts and when it stops, and the proof is that I can do it, and and it's working. That'll be the proof, is it's working. And the sad part is, I can't get a job anywhere in the world because this city thinks it's okay to fake my daughter's death and torture me and just lie to my face to make me homeless. You're the biggest bunch of hypocrites I've ever seen. But that's all right, because when you get paid back, Mr. Sparklight guy, um, and you too, Mr. Lewis, Charles Lewis, you're going to be in a jail cell along with Sean Finnerty. So far, it's 21 minutes has gone by. It's a long video. Long video. 21 minutes. Okay, it's done. So now we're gonna get right to it. Since that's done, you can see the time and everything. So here's the first. I'm gonna show you Visual Basic files are just created. They're right here. Here's the time and date stamp right there. And this is the new file. There's it was just created as well. It was created during this program I was running. So I'll go ahead and open this. And there's two ways I'm going to do this. First, I'm just going to do it as a CSV file. And the reason is because it's already saved as a CSV file. So I'm going to do, this is the only way I know how to do this at this point in time. I know that there's a way to send the file in here. I've done it before, but this is the only way I know how to import it right now. And this is the folder I was looking at. That's the one that I created, and you can see the time and date stamp. So I'll bring this one in, and then I'm going to import the other one too. It's two files. One is the links, and one is the page. And I'm going to close it, and I'm going to go ahead and view macros. Now you see here's one is the setup, and one is the links. So we'll do run setup. This is really quick. It's really quick. Now imagine just trying to link all these, folders, all these files by hand. It would take forever. This way, if I lose the file, I just create a new one. I just run the program, creates a brand new file every time. Every time, it just creates a brand new file every time. There, that, and look, it's all these pages down here. There are all these pages down here. So I'll go ahead and do the second one. View macros, and I'll do the links. Set up links. So now it's going to link everything. It's almost done. Now there's 37 pages of videos. On every page is 37 except the last page. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos. Every page has 37 videos up to here. But look, they're all linked. All of these videos are linked. It's taking time because I got video running and stuff like that. I'm just trying to show you that it's working.
The federal criminal statute that enforces constitutional limits or privilege secured to him, her by the...
They will not tell the truth. This is a new video. Just to let you know, this is what I left behind for you guys. This is what you're going to see after I'm in a safe place. This is what you're going to see. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Did you, Sean Finnerty? Okay, that's that. Now we'll go back. So here's the macro, and now I'm down here into set 32. Set 32. Look at the dates created. But they're all linked. Let's go back here. They're all linked. Every one of these is linked. I'll go wait.